on a Sunday morning. Anyway, morning. How are we all doing on this fine day? Just emptying the soil trailer this morning. It's going to rain Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Don't know why I said that all week. Filming this on Sunday, so let's hope you see it Wednesday. Bit of a foggy morning, typical tatey picking weather. We've moved into the other shed, so let's go and have a look at that. Let's get everything set up. We've got 2 loads to unload this morning, and then we shall get picking. Now then, just down the field, just had a little bit of drone footage for you today in a midweek video. Cool, you are lucky. Or might put this up Saturday if you're watching Saturday. Anyways, a couple of people asked what variety is. The variety is Sagita. And also, excuse me, this harvester is 30+ years old. Dad bought it when it was 3 years old for 10.5 grand. And I had the Grimmy salesman come the other day to the yard because he see the harvester out the back, and was asking me, you know, would we buy a new harvester, this, that and the other. Well, you try finding a harvester 3-year-old for 10.5 grand. And I basically just said to him, nah mate, you ain't gonna find one. You're looking at 60, 70, maybe even more grand for a 3-year-old harvester now, so we'll stick with what we got. So then, we're here in this shed, we're filling this shed up nicely. So the difference from the other shed that you see in the previous video to this shed is we use this wall. Now, me and Dad built this wall, it was his idea, just wooden wall, and then we fill 2 boxes, pump trucks, either side, so I can get them as high up as possible, so I want them as high as them Heston bales at the top. Because this elevator's not telescopic and the end can't go out, I can only go a certain way, so they back up on here, and then I'll just move the wall back and then I fill it up even higher. So, sounds complicated, it's not. Anyway, with this, you just press the button to go back and it slides back on the conveyors, and yeah, job's done. This shed's much better, designed for potatoes, and yeah, we're filling it up. Let me know when you've got a bit of weight, of course. Got a bit of weight? Yeah. Hang on. Better start this old girl up. So, as you can see, if you see what I mean about keeping the heat nice and level, look at this. Lovely old job, just level that bit back and push it forward. But got my brother and my girlfriend on the grader now. Not many girls have come, well this day and age, will come and stand on a grader and pick off, but we've got that one sorted. Right, so I don't know about you, but I think there should be a potato crisis instead of a petrol crisis. What do you reckon? Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you again for another video. I hope that we're done picking tates, but we need another good day and then we'll be finished. So yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you again. Ta.